Ooh, baby! Just wanted to catch your attention before I said hello. My name is Dancy Bearded. Thank you for checking this video out today. Over the years, I've had some amazing subscribers that have given me the nickname the trusted teacher for all things beard related. So if you want to learn more about your beard and how to take care of it, you found the right spot. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. Shout out to those returning subscribers. And if you guys are excited to learn about some beard care routines today, specifically in the shower, hit that thumbs up 100% for free on this YouTube video, and let's get right into it. So I do get asked about this all the time. People will say, hey Dan, what do you do for your beard in the shower? What is the order? What are the products? And I figured I would just kind of break down my full shower routine without taking you into the shower. Sorry, not many of you want to see that. And for those of you that do, no, not today. Not gonna happen. And because the products that I use, even on my head hair and my face and my body, they are related to my beard care products because of the order. And I'll explain, I promise. And I do have different routines based on every other day. They're very similar, but I will break that down as well. So to begin, when I get in the shower, oh, and by the way, guys, I'm showing different brands and products today. Nothing is sponsored. Some of them are affiliates, some of them are not. They don't know I'm making this video. They didn't pay me to make this video. Hey, I would love for them to. Companies, get a hold of me. It's not going to change anything I do, but I just want to tell you guys that right away. When I get into the shower, the very first thing I do, other than let the water hit me, is I always get some bar soap and I wash my hands. The very first thing, one of my favorites is a deep cleaning pine tar soap from Luxurious Bastard. And I get in there, and this does smell like pine. If you want your shower to light up kind of like a pine campfire, this will do that. If you don't want it, stay far away. But I like to wash my hands first. I want to have a clean canvas when I'm working on my head hair. I'm working on my beard. I don't want to have anything in my fingernails or on my hands. So always, and nothing's right or wrong here, guys. I'm just sharing what I do. I always wash my hands first. I also take that same bar soap and I get my armpits and the little sensitive spots. You know, that's the first thing, step one. Next, I go in and I wash my head hair. I don't want to do anything after my beard with my head hair because of the ability of it to run off. Even though it's not a big deal, might as well just do the right order. What I use every other day for my shampoo is this Tea Tree Special. We've bought it in stores, I believe, but mainly we go on Amazon. This gives you that nice little tingle, like, ooh, a little minty, fresh, clean. I love it. That's just for my head hair. After my head hair, I then wash my beard with a beard wash, something like the LCW beard wash. This is a daily gentle beard wash. You don't have to worry about using this too often as far as like as many days in a row. So I get that all lathered in there. Essentially, I let it sit for a minute. I usually take a comb and exfoliate down to the skin real gently. I don't usually go all the way through the beard because of tangles and snags, but I will get it in there and kind of rake the skin to break up anything that's on the surface. And then I rinse that out. So now my head hair is clean, my beard is clean, and I got some of the important areas of my body clean. Following that, I immediately go in with my beard conditioner after the wash, and this is one like the Sweet Water from Copper John's. I work that through my beard hairs, not to the skin. That's a key difference. Beard wash, work into the skin. Use a comb into the skin. Conditioner should be only for the hair. But Dan, what if it gets on my skin? No worries, your skin is saturated, it's not a big deal. You just do not want to massage it and work it into those pores. So just into the hair. Now here's another big difference. I let the wash sit for a minute, let it bubble, let it lather, let it do its thing, but I let the conditioner sit for several minutes. It's really got to do its job and get into those imperfections of the hairs, let the negative and positive attract to each other and really fill the spots. So while I let this conditioner sit, work it through my beard. If I do comb it, I don't comb by the face, I just comb through the hair, and I just let it sit. And then I go in and wash my face. The only face wash that I use is the face wash by Dr. Nick's Amazing Man Stuff. So good. I love the number 7, just an essential oil blend of fresh citrus and pine scents. So I get that. I've got like a little face wash like scrubber thing to get in there and I scrub. I just scrub the portions of my face that do not have facial hair. So right here, under my eyes, my nose, and then my forehead. Do not use face wash on your beard. So again, remember, my beard is covered in conditioner at this point. I'm just washing my face. I let that sit for a minute, and then I rinse them both out together, starting with a focus on my face and then my beard. The reason why? My beard is covered with conditioner. When that face wash runs off of it, that conditioner is going to give it a little bit of extra protection. Again, even though it's not a big deal. If you don't have conditioner, it's totally fine as long as your beard is wet and fully saturated with that fresh water. It's just gonna run off unless you massage it in. Again, don't do that. So I wash my face and I rinse that off, rinse off the conditioner, comb through in the shower, always, not down to the skin. And then the very last thing that I do in the shower is I use body wash. Again, pretty much the only body wash I use is the Dr. Nick's Amazing Man stuff. I lather that up, I get it all over the body, feel nice and clean and fresh. One of the main reasons is I'm going through different, like this tattoo is about a month old. I'm finishing it actually this weekend as the time of filming this video. So I just don't want shampoo or face wash and stuff on the tattoo. So I figure why not end with the body wash, make it just nice and clean. And that's my whole routine. I have my entire body clean, my beard, my face, my head hair, it's all good. The only difference is every other day, I will use the solid beard wash bar by the Bearded Mac. And this is a beard wash bar. I'll show you guys here. Essentially, it's not soap. There is a difference between this and soap. Essentially, it's a beard wash that is dehydrated and it's amazing. It lathers like crazy. It travels super well. And this is actually gonna replace 3 things. Now, I don't do this every day because it wouldn't have the same impact. But when I use this, I use it as my beard wash, so I don't need a beard wash. I use it as my head hair shampoo. Don't need my head hair shampoo. And I do not use or need conditioner after using this one, so it replaces my conditioner. So real quick on this one, I get in the shower, I use the soap on my hands, my armpits, the sensitive areas. I then take the bar directly to my beard, directly to my head hair, work it in, rinse it out, face wash, and then body wash. And that's my whole routine. That's the order that I do those in. Again, you can mix it up. You can do different things. It's not a right, it's not a wrong situation, but I do have planning and logic behind why I do these things. So, 2 parts to end with for you guys. I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be. Number 1, what do you do? When you get in the shower, take a second, help me out, help the community out, step by step, day by day, step by step. What is your order of operations in the shower or the bath? Let's say you take a bath, no judgment here. And then second thing, what questions or comments do you have about my routine? Was there a light bulb moment? You're like, oh my gosh, that makes so much sense. I'm gonna do that. Let me know. That feels good to know that I helped or at least gave you some food for thought. Is there something I do that doesn't make sense? Maybe you want a little bit of clarification. I promise I will do that. Thank you guys for watching today. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Not in the shower, but hopefully taught you about my shower. Please stay bearded and stay positive.